So today we're going to be talking about and going through the setup and the features of these WiZ SpaceSense light bulbs. Sorry about the cameras. I have to have a 2-camera setup, but I only have 1 camera right now. So these were $17 on sale for 3 bulbs. And there's the bulb in question. They go from 800 lumens, 2200 to 65 Kelvin in temperature. I've never done this before, so we're going to try to set this up live. So you have to have the bulbs plugged in, and you have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network apparently. We're going to select all, start. We're putting them all in the bedroom. Put in our Wi-Fi password. Okay, looks like it's working. Just waiting. Yeah, it's done. We're going to set up the devices. Same thing for this one. Last status. All right, let's see what we can do here. So we can turn down the brightness. Which is working, so it goes down to 1% brightness. Which, let me turn off the other light here. That's pretty dark. And we have a few different lighting modes here. We have warm. We have daylight, which is the 6500. Cozy, which is kind of a red. That's probably what I want at night, like the 2200. Kind of candlelight. Okay, and apparently it does colors as well. Well, that's not really why I bought it. And I'm going to go to automation. Well, I'll try some other options. Scenes. I guess you can just save certain settings profiles. And we have a bunch of different options here where we can do them all at once. We got a night light. Bunch of different colors, and then we have our wake up and our bedtime. But the real functionality I was interested in here was the automation, because I wanted to set it up as a daily rhythm, which I'm going to do now. Well, that was my custom rhythm. You can set up a custom rhythm for your wake up time, your daylight, up to 5 different steps. Circadian rhythm is where it just automatically adjusts during the day, which was what I was interested in. Wake up 7, 9, and it does the rotation. Okay, that's good. And let's check one last option. We have the SpaceSense, which supposedly can use your Wi-Fi to track your motion. Okay, walk inside the room. Once inside, stop moving. That's pretty cool. Not really interested in this feature, so I'm just going to walk through all the features now that I have it set up. So here's my main page. We got the rooms. You know, I can add new rooms. I can add a set profiles that I can automatically switch to. Up here, I guess messing with your lights in the rooms. Integrations with Google, Matter, Alexa. Energy consumption shows you how much you're using per hour. Oh, and I guess you could do a lighter dark theme on the app. Okay, cool. We have a lot of different categories here, which are the same options as, okay, those are new. Those are new. So we could do like a fireplace, dynamic lighting, create our own lighting mode. I guess it can sync with the music or with TV. I guess you need a sync box for that. And we already went over the automation, the rhythms, which is what I'm using it for. And the Discover page is pretty much worthless. So yeah, everything seems to be working. I would say it's a pretty good deal for $18. And we'll see how they hold up.